Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. First, press Windows R plus key in your computer and type in regedit. Click OK. Once you're here, click on HK local machine, click the drop-down arrow, and click software. Scroll it down until you find policies. Right-click on that, click New and Key. Type in Google, enter, and from this Google, right-click on it, click New and Key, and type in Chrome. From here, right-click on the blank page, click New, and select the word 32-bit value. Rename this one to Incognito Mode Availability. Make sure that you type in this correctly and precisely, including the capitalization. Click Enter and right-click on this, click Modify. From the value data 0, change it to 1. And click OK. Once you're done on the process, make sure to restart your computer. Now that you're done restarting your computer, right-click on the Google Chrome icon and click New Incognito window. Once you click it, you'll see that you will just redirected into normal new tab. And once you click on here, you will see that the new incognito window is grayed out. And that's it. That's how you successfully remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.